Hey guys, okay, so today we will be going over the tutorial of how to use the Connect tool for the Maya software. Right now I'm using the student version of Maya 2015, and usually when you want to work with animation, there's going to be times when you will need to go beyond edge loops and maybe add some additional detail into your model, and you can actually draw that particular detail by using the Connect tool. So let's go on ahead, do something basic. So we'll create a simple polygonal plane. Let me adjust this a little bit. As you can see, it's maybe a little too small for me to use. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my inputs here and select the width and height, maybe dial it up to maybe 6. Okay, and the Connect tool that you want to use is gonna be found under Mesh Tools right over here. And there you go, Connect tool. The Connect tool, I must say, is basically a pretty straightforward tool to use. All you have to do is simply hover over what you want to connect and you just click. So we can hover over edges, faces, vertices, and let's say I want to connect faces. So all I would have to simply do is hold down the Shift key. So when I press the Shift key, you see a plus sign next to the mouse. So I'll hold down the Shift key and I would have to press the faces I want to connect. And you can see all the faces being selected, and as I start to press more faces, it will start to form this particular detail that I really want to make. When I get the detail that I like and have selected, all I have to do is simply press Enter, and there you go. This will end the input mode, and it will have the additional detail that I wanted to create. Now I can go into this again by going to the Connect tool, but this time what I'm gonna do is connect edges. So here you go. Once again, I'm gonna connect edges. You're gonna see this line right over here. It's just a little convenient way for those who want to just connect this design, but since it's not what I want to connect, you could just simply ignore this and continue clicking from where you started. So here you go, edge, edge, and let's say for example I want to click an edge but I accidentally press vertex, but this is not what I want. So what you're gonna have to do is, instead of undoing everything all over again, you can simply press what you accidentally press. So you can see there's a minus sign next to the mouse, and you click it, and there you go. It will be deselected and you can continue from where you left off. And once again, when you get the design that you want, you simply press Enter, and here you go. That's the design that I made by using edges. So I'm also going to demonstrate the Connect tool by doing the same with vertices. So once again, menu, Connect tool, and here you go. I could do edges. I actually like the edges a lot because I felt like it was a lot easier for me to do with edges, and I think I could make cooler designs with it. As you can see, I'm trying to create like an arrow sign, and I think this is really cool. So here you go, another design. Okay, and so again, if I go into my Connect tool, okay, I can also do maybe like a face to face or to an edge or a vertex. So you can use any combinations of faces, vertices, or edges that you want to create. So you see I'm using faces, now I'm using vertex, and then maybe another vertex, and there you go. Here's another design that I made by using a combination. So if you want to draw any additional detail into your model, you can really see how this Connect tool can be really useful for you to use.